Gladiator 77-inch rack shelving assembles in minutes thanks to its exclusive boltless design. No tools are necessary. This unit is so heavy-duty, each shelf holds up to 2,000 pounds. The lifetime limited warranty means you can trust this rack to stand up to large loads for years to come. Given its size and weight, we recommend that a second person help you at the start of assembly and to move the completed unit. Before getting started, choose a level area for your setup and lay out your parts. You should have 4 wire shelves, 2 welded end frames, 8 support beams, and 12 tie bars. Assembly is simple. One person should hold up the first end frame. Begin by attaching both of the support beams for the bottom shelf. Insert the tabs into the corresponding slots on the end frames and lock in place on both sides. Now that the unit is self-supporting, you can attach the remaining beams yourself. Work one shelf at a time until all 8 beams are attached. 3 tie bars attached per shelf with an exclusive boltless design. To install, squeeze the tie bar to insert rivet heads into the keyholes in the support beams, then release to lock in place. Once the entire frame is together, lay the wire shelves in place. Together, move the shelving unit to its final location. That's all it takes. You're now ready to begin placing your items on the shelves.